location we're going to, but I just know we're finna go fishing. So we have Elijah right here. How you feel?
Good. I hope the worms aren't frozen though. Oh, they're moving.
Oh, I'm excited.
Just a
So
little
yeah, we
cold.
finna go fishing. We just packing the truck right now. Okay, I don't know where we're going, but there's Daddy.
Loma.
Oh, going to Loma. There's Elijah, and now we're on our way to our destination. Okay, so we're making a pit stop at Shields to get some minnows to catch some fishies.
If you don't know what minnows are,
Why?
minnows are like little tiny like fish, and bigger fish can just swallow them, and the hook
Get
will
on
just.
that hook.
Mhm.
That's our goal. So we finna get some minnows. Okay, so we just got our bait, and Elijah's holding the bait. There's Daddy. There's Zay, he has some worms. And I'm just here for more support. Okay, so we stopped at the town pump to get a little bit of snacks and to do a bathroom break so that we wouldn't have to while we're fishing or anything like that. So, yeah.
Nah, there's concrete.
Okay, so we just made it to we're not in Loma. I don't know why I said there's Zay. The water's low-key moving pretty fast, but there's Elijah.
As you do it.
They're throwing rocks. But yeah, the water is moving pretty fast, but we're just gonna test it out for now and see like what we can do with it. Alright, so Father is gonna test out the waters. It is moving pretty fast, but you never know. Elijah got the bait.
I'm actually gonna use
Worm.
It's a big one. Dang.
I know, right?
The fat one.
Okay, he's gonna throw at the butt. I said bird. Throw at the little fishy. Look at it go! The water is moving fast. Okay, the water is too fast. So gonna go to the other side. Okay, so Elijah and I have our lines out. Ah! And Daddy's gonna throw out another one. Let me see if I can get him. Oh. Okay, that was pretty good. And that's gonna be Zay's line. I have my line out right now. What is that?
I think this is a drum.
You're on my line now.
Man, that's beautiful.
That is.
That's beautiful. This is beautiful. What is this? It's not a golden eye.
I don't know what that is.
I think this is a drum.
What's that?
You want me to hold him?
Yeah. That's a. Well, I got a mohawk. I bet it spins on pointy. Yes, sir. Oh. Okay, so we're finna pack up and go to a different location. We have everything picked up. Right now we're at 1 fish, 3 more to go. So let's go. Okay, so we just like kind of just like went on the other side of where we were in a sense, but like not in a sense. So like we were over there, like where you see that where the truck was, we're kind of like in that area, but we just kind of went like across a little bit. So we're just gonna try this new area. Low-key, like this grass is kind of tall. I'm low-key kind of like skeptical about it. Like I'm not really a nature person like that. I do love fishing, but like I'm just, yeah. So very skeptical, you know. Don't, oh my God. Got a little fish, got a baby fish.
You got a little baby fish?
A baby, whatever it is. I don't know what that is.
I got it, buddy. Oh my God. Okay, 2 fishes down, 2 more to go. I think we're gonna go to one more location. Maybe 2. I'm not sure. But so far, my dad and my youngest brother got fishies. So hopefully, me and Isaiah, hopefully we catch fishies if the Lord allows it. So one more location, maybe 2. Let's go. Okay, so we made it to our 3rd location. We're at Giant Springs right now. The water is moving pretty fast, so hopefully Dottie doesn't fall in.
Same thing when you go to the store. I mean, of course, all of this is done for you. You ain't got to do all this. That's good meat, man. If it was bigger, it'd be even easier. But I don't want to lose any of the fish because it's kind of smaller. But hey boys, put the. I'm more of a Stevie fan just because.
Here's the fishies. Needs to season it.
Yeah, so this is the one we caught right here.
Hey.
Let me tag.
Oh, wait. No.
No.
So it has some little bit of bones because I didn't want able to fillet it all the way correctly because the knife wasn't.
That's alright. Like, quit acting like a little kid.
So there, it has some bones on it and the skin on the bottom. If you want to take it off, you can. If you don't, whatever.
Don't swallow it without
You better make sure you get that bone.
this shit.
Oh, ooh, look at that.
Ooh, it just came right off.
Oh man.
Well, bro.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, that's good. Try that piece right there. I don't know if this a half season or not because this.
I rated it 10.
Oh man.
It's good.
It's good.
Shut up, Jose.
Got bone.
That's why I'm watching them together.
Hmm?